Fedora Outlier LLC logo animation. Logo is burnt orange, reddish-brown. The shape is a square with a white outer glow creating dimension. The letters FO are in the center of the square. The letters have a hand-drawn artistic appearance. Backdrop is black with light flares that appear then disappear. There is a transparent mirror image of the logo underneath.
What's up, everybody? It's Vashawn Jones, visionary of Fedora Outlier LLC and brand ambassador of the Debonair You. And along with me is one of the first puppies from Exotic Paw Kennels. Exotic Paw, see the little paw? Kennel, stop licking me. Doja, which is a pocket bully. She's gonna be producing babies soon. So listen, I got the scent of the day, the scent of the week, and the signature scent of the spring all in one fragrance. And it's this one right here, brand new from Killian. And it is called, I forget what it's called. So guess what, I'll tell you what it's called right after this. Hit the button, hit the button, hit the button.
Various images of Vashawn Jones, an African-American bald man sitting down in his music studio with keyboards, microphone, saxophone, computer screen, soundproofing materials on the walls. The words look good, smell good, feel good attached to each image. Final image of Vashawn, he is outside holding a white cane wearing all white with the words Debonair You by Fedora Outlier LLC.
What they had was Shield of Protection cologne. Actually, it's Cologne, a Shield of Protection from the house of by Killian. And so it's the scent of the day. Boom. It's the scent of the week for the third week of spring. And it's my spring like signature scent. You know what I mean? So, you know, the Debonair You, Doja. You guys know what it is, man. Say it, Doja. Say, let's change the world. Let's look good, feel good, and smell good, dog. And let's change the world together.
Light flares moving over a black backdrop. The word empowerment in orange, all uppercase, appears behind the flares. Underneath the word empowerment, in white lettering, also behind the flares, is a mechanism by which individuals, groups, and communities gain mastery over their affairs. Light flares fade. A transparent mirror image of the words are also underneath.